GSTN has introduced EWay bill to regulate supplies with a value above Rs 50,000. As per this rule, the EWay bill number or the EWay bill copy should accompany the invoice for such supplies. The registered dealer or the transporter supplying the goods can generate the EWay bill number using the EWay bill portal. Tally ERP9 simplifies managing EWay bills. With Tally ERP9, you can identify invoices that need EWay bill, record proper item details along with HSN information and tax rates, record invoices in your regular course of business, and export this information to JSON file that can be uploaded to the portal to generate EWay bill number. Get alerts for any missing details which are mandatory for generating the EWay bill. Avoid mismatches. Keep your GSTR1, EWay bill information and books in sync. Export JSON file with EWay bill details at the time of saving invoice or at a later stage. Export a single JSON file with EWay bill details for multiple invoices. Group consignments and export JSON file for consolidated EWay bill. Keep track of the invoices and their corresponding EWay bill number. When you upgrade to Tally ERP9 6.4, EWay bill related features are enabled by default. You can set the threshold value beyond which an EWay bill needs to be generated for an invoice. Let us see how Tally ERP9 simplifies capturing all the details required for generating an EWay bill. You record sales transactions as earlier. Now, Tally ERP9 identifies the transactions that require EWay bills when the invoice value exceeds the limit specified by you and prompts you to provide transportation details. Here you can enter the mode of transport and details of the transporter or the vehicle number if own transport is used. The transportation details recorded will form part B of your EWay bill. Ensure that you enter all the mandatory information. The part A of the EWay bill is nothing but your invoice details, which are automatically picked up from the voucher type, party and goods selected. In case any information required for generating the EWay bill is not captured, an alert is displayed to inform you about the missing information. You can go back and enter the required information. Tally ERP9 will auto-export the details required for generating an EWay bill in JSON file format on saving the voucher. After exporting, the EWay bill number entry screen appears. Log in to the EWay bill portal, click Generate Bulk option and upload the JSON file exported from Tally ERP9. Click Generate. An EWay bill number is generated. Enter the EWay bill number and date in Tally ERP9 and save. The voucher is updated with these details. You can now print the invoice with the EWay bill number. Tally ERP9 also exports to the Excel offline utility provided by the department. Also, an option is provided under F12 configure to disable this auto export. If you have chosen not to use auto export of JSON after saving the invoice, you can use the export for EWay bill report. The export for EWay bill report will show you the transactions for which details are not exported for generating EWay bills and the already exported transactions. It also shows the transactions for which all the required details are not entered. You can enter the missing details and make these invoices ready for export. Click Export for the EWay bill. A single JSON file will be created for all the invoices that are ready for export. Upload this file to get unique EWay bill numbers for each invoice in the file. Just like exporting multiple invoices to a single JSON file, you can update EWay bill numbers for multiple invoices in a single screen. Go to the Update EWay bill information report and enter the EWay bill number and date for each invoice. The status-wise view of the report displays invoices in various stages. EWay bill rule allows you to carry a consolidated EWay bill number for supplies with separate EWay bill numbers. but dispatch from the same place using the same mode at the same point of time. This will help you avoid carrying separate EWay bills for each invoice in the shipment. With Tally ERP9, the task of identifying invoices that can be consolidated is simplified. In the EWay bill report, all the invoices with EWay bill numbers are displayed. Click the Consolidated View button to consolidate the invoices. Click Export Consolidated. A JSON file with the details of consolidated transactions is created. Log into the portal and go to the consolidated EWay bill and click Generate Bulk. Upload the consolidated JSON file and click Generate. The consolidated EWay bill is generated. To update the EWay bill information, select the transaction in the report and click Update Consolidated Info. Enter the consolidated EWay bill number and date and save. As you can see, your EWay bill